Okay, this is video 2 of our notes. So in video 1, I showed you how to make an equation based off of a graph. We are still on vertical transformations, which is up and down, but now I'm giving you an equation and I want you to graph how it will be transformed. So hopefully you remember from video 1, looking at this equation, remember this is our parent function where we start. So actually, I'm going to put this in orange because this part right here matches my orange part, or my orange graph over here, my orange points, right? That's my parent function, my starting point, which has a starting at 0. You have to ask yourself, what does this mean? What does plus 3 at the end mean? Well, from our notes, whenever I see a plus sign, that means I'm going to be going up, and then by how many? So plus 3 means that I'm going up 3. So how we're going to graph this. If you see on this graph over here, I have orange points. Again, this is my parent function. We're going to take from these points and count up 3 and put our red points. So I'm going to start with this. You can start wherever you want, by the way. You can start at any point you want. I'm going to start at this top right one. I'm going to grab a red point. From this orange one, I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3 and put my first red point. Now I'm going to just do this for all of my points. So this next one on the right, I'm going to take a red one and count up 1, 2, 3. And remember, you can use your arrows on your keyboard to kind of move them around. So I'll do that for this one. I'm at my middle point. I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3. And hopefully you start to notice that it's going to make the same shape. So from this one, up 1, 2, 3. It's just all going to be moved up 3. And then my last point here, up 1, 2, 3. So I still have my parabola. It's just been shifted up 3. And lastly, I'm going to take this black line and I'm actually going to move it up so it makes my new equation, or my new graph. So you can see we just graphed a transformation of up 3. If it was down, do the same thing.